Hey everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we are going to be discussing how to activate a Visa gift card. Now, basically before we dive into the video, I have a link in the description of this video using which you can now support to this channel. Now, activating the Visa gift card. You can do that online. So, this is incredibly simple. There are only two steps to do so. The first thing is to activate. If you purchase a Visa gift card from a retail outlet, the card should be activated ready for immediate use after purchase. However, if you purchase it online, you will need to activate it once you receive it. This is typically done by online service or by calling the toll-free number listed on the card. So if you have the card, there will be a toll-free number that will be available, and using that you can simply activate it. And you will also need to register it, of course. So to register your card, if you want to use it online, so that retailers can link the card to a billing address. Instructions on how to do this will be provided with the card. So everything is basically provided on the card. You simply need to dial a number and just answer a few details, and your card or Visa gift card should be activated. So it's a pretty simple process. I hope this helped. If it did, make sure to head over to the link in the description to donate to this channel. Also subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.